This newscast is brought to you by Lavo. Globally acclaimed digital analyst, author, and visionary Brian Solis will take the stage at ISE 2025 on Tuesday, February 4th to present the opening keynote. Known for his profound insights into the intersection of technology, business, and culture, Solis will share his vision on how the Pro AV and systems integration industry can change and innovate through the latest developments in artificial intelligence. In his ISE 2025 opening keynote, Solis will explore the future of tech development driven by AI, the opportunities and challenges for the Pro AV and systems integration business, and the role each of professionals plays in shaping the future. Registration for ISE 2025 is now open. To register, follow the QR code on your screen.
Bright Tangerine has officially unveiled a new suite of products purpose-built for the Canon C400. Using a modular design, the new Canon C400 top plate and additional Canon C400 top plate filler can be used in separate pieces to add greater versatility to a Canon camera. The new top plate features a selection of accessory threads, including a 15mm rod console. Both top plate and filler keep the C400's electronic multifunction shoe-free to use, and the components cater to stock Canon accessories such as the microphone shock mount. The top plate and top plate filler are made from anodized aluminum.
Rohde and Schwarz and Vantage towers have signed a Memorandum of Understanding to advance the commercialization of 5G broadcast technology across Europe. This agreement aims to support the deployment of 5G broadcast during its commercial rollout from 2026 and onwards. The Memorandum of Understanding outlines a collaborative framework between Rohde and Schwarz and Vantage towers to jointly develop the business and market readiness for 5G broadcast. Since the commercial deployment of the technology targets multiple applications like live and linear content, automotive beyond entertainment, venue casting, and public warning services, having an uninterrupted coverage with an optimal quality of service for consumers is imperative. Hence, the two companies will work together to create an innovative go-to-market model that leverages Vantage Tower's extensive asset base and neutral host expertise, combined with the comprehensive portfolio of network solutions, services, and close relationships that Rohde and Schwarz holds with broadcast network operators worldwide.
In an effort to maintain its status as the entertainment capital of the world, California Governor Gavin Newsom has proposed a more than doubling of the state's film and television tax credit program from the current $330 million allocation to $750 million annually. In recent years, the state has seen a decrease in tax revenues from film and TV production, partly due to the double whammy of the pandemic and the almost year-long actors and writers strike that crippled the industry in 2023. But the governor's office attributed the main reason for the decline to the limits of the current program. This past summer, overall production in Greater Los Angeles declined by 5% to 5,048 shoot days.
The International Luge Federation (FIL) has named Chyron as its official graphics provider for live broadcasts of its competitions, beginning with the 2024 to 2025 pre-Olympics winter season. Chyron TV graphics have played a part in FIL's live production since the 2023 to 24 season. Working with Chyron, the Federation revamped its graphics, including its base package, and introduced new, dynamic visuals to inform and entertain viewers. A team from Chyron was on site for every Eberspacher World Cup event and FIL Championship to enhance graphics quality. Chyron will continue its creative and technical service in 2024 to 25. Working with Caron's Prime software, the FIL is adding new animations and custom graphics to convey even more fan-engaging information.
This newscast is brought to you by Lavo.